All right, this is Joe Wheeler. We just got a new model from a DUPRAY. It's called the
Neat Plus.
the Neat Plus, and it just arrived.
It just arrived about a minute ago.
Yeah, so we're gonna unbox it, and they still make the Neat. This is the move.
This is a newer model.
Yeah, it's got one difference for sure. You can fill this up while it's in use. You don't have to turn it off, let it cool off to take the cap off. And so you can refill it anytime you want to, and it's supposed to heat up in about 2 minutes or less.
Here's a bunch of accessories.
And the accessories should all basically be the same as comes with
We'll try to show those later. Right now we're trying to get the main machine out.
Yeah, we just want to get it unboxed, and we'll try to show some stuff on it later. Just a little bit.
Now the importance of this is nobody's ever seen it. This might be the only video in the world showing this thing.
Yeah, they just announced this.
It's a brand new product.
When they announced that this was available, we ordered it immediately. So there's not very many of them out yet. Now everything basically is the same as on the regular Neat, except for now you can take that cap off anytime you want because it's not screwed on, I don't think. And whenever you need to, and you can add more water.
Okay, this is like a grayish color. The regular Neat has a twist-on cap. This just comes off like this. And you can take the cap off while in use and refill.
There's a Neat right there if you want to pick it up and put it up here next to it.
We'll show you guys another one. Let me get all this stuff off here. Keep pumping, don't let them get bored.
It's the same 275 degrees. I suppose the 50 psi is the same. The hose is the same. The cord is the same. What we're not sure about is when you get done using it. I guess you may have to drain it out the cap still. We haven't checked.
We actually don't know how you drain it,
unless it's a drain plug on the bottom, which they never showed. They never talked about it. You see anything under there differently?
No, it's got a cord wrap though. That's
okay. That's how the old one was.
Yeah.
So this is not.
So to be honest, we haven't researched into it and figured out like how you drain it. We don't know if you drain it, how you drain it, whatever. There's a drain plug.
Put that other one up here next to it. It's right there.
Here's the old one.
Yeah, so it's a brighter.
Now here's the differences in these. On this one, this one looks to be a little taller. You know what? I think I don't know. But on the differences in these is this one, it runs for 50 minutes. When you run out of water, you have to let it cool down for about half an hour before you can take the cap off and refill it. And then you got about, let's say 10 to 15 minutes of heating time. So you got like a 40 to 45 minute downtime when you run out of water in this.
Let me through here.
And to be outright honest with you, there's been times.
I'll show you also. We've got one down there, and then the one that's up on the counter. We had two of the regular Neats. Now we've got this third one. But this one's got the continuous fill.
Now another thing about this, they claim, and we haven't tried it yet, they claim it heats up in 90 seconds.
Yeah.
And they say from 1 to 2 minutes, but 90 seconds. So this one here, they say 8 minutes. In the wintertime, that's just not true.
Yeah.
In the wintertime, it's going to take you 12, 14 minutes to heat this thing up. This, if it heats up in 90 seconds, that's quick. And if you can continuously refill, which you can, you don't never have to. You just heat it up for 90 seconds, then you never heat it up again. You go do a 10,000 foot facility of cleaning carpets with it or whatever. You can stay there till you're done and never reheat it because it stays heated the whole time. You never fill, or you just keep it continuously filled.
What we're going to do is we have some stuff. This is a Saturday afternoon, and we've got some stuff that we've got to do. So we're not going to try to put water in it and turn it on or anything
We will
yet.
do another video later.
We're going to put up another video
later
pretty
today
quickly.
or the next day or so, as soon as we
Yeah,
can.
we're going to put up another video, and we're just going to show you how long it takes to heat up and things like that.
But this is just an initial.
Yeah, this is just so you can see we have it.
And the reason we're putting this up right now is because we don't know that there's any of these. We don't know how many people have ordered them, and we don't think there's any videos on YouTube.
One thing you can tell is different around this is white. Around the flange where the hose goes in, that was orange. And as far as, I don't know, I'm sure the color's still the same on the on-off switch. But, if we find any other real big differences, we'll let you know. But
now, in another video, we'll show you the accessories, although if you have...
Yeah, they're supposed to be the same accessories as the original Neat, so I don't think there'll be a big change. Now these are the regular Neat's about $150. Those are $199. So about $50 if you want to get a continuous fill model that heats up fast, and that's the big difference right there.
Well, this is a great steamer, but to be honest,
actually I think that is a little taller.
It looks it to me, but it may not be. It may be deceptive. But and now here's the thing: I've taken this out and done I've cleaned 1,000 carpets with it. And it works great, but I've always had this fear if the job's going to take more than 50 minutes. And
you always have to hurry.
I have to stop and let it cool down for half an hour, and then fill it with water and let it heat up for 10 or 15 minutes. That's a big delay.
We've had this. This is the one I think.
This one here eliminates all that fear.
I think we bought this one in 2018, and we've used it quite a bit.
A lot.
And then the other one in the box, I think we bought it like in 21 or 22. So we'd have a spare one. And they both work fine, so.
But we'll go ahead and end this video, but we're going to make more. We just want to, nobody's ever seen these before, so it's a neat item because it's brand new, and we thought we'd put
I'll put a link in the video description for their product page, and also we have a steam cleaners group on Facebook, and DUPRAY's in that group, and that'd be a place we could share more information. Mm-hmm. And by the way, we do not sell products on Amazon.
No, we're not selling stuff
or anything anymore. So don't worry about the links that we provide. They're not going to. We don't make money off any of this stuff anymore.
One more thing. So. We don't know this, but this is $200 and this is $150. This, since it's continuous fill and it heats up quick, the price could go up to the same to $250, $300, $350. Who knows?
Yeah,
so if you're going to buy them,
it may be an introductory price. Yeah, introductory. They introduced them at $200.
Buy them quick. Trust us.
Yeah, they could go up. I don't know.
They could.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoy that, and stay tuned for another video showing it in use a little bit. Till next time, thanks for watching.